So Luvme Hair sent me over this bomb U-part bob. The U-parts have been very popular lately. I guess people are tired of lace frontals and closures. They want to like let the natural hair breathe. So let's get into it. I do want to say that the construction of this wig is very well constructed. It's very well put together. I have 1, 2, 3. There's an adjustable strap and there's another clip down here in the nape area. I do want to show you these clip-ins that I received with this wig, which gives you the versatility to switch up your wig to go from a solid color like this to either a ombre look or a highlight look. So these are the clip-ins and I received 3. So let me hit this with the flat iron real quick. Then we will put this in. That basically wraps up this look. I really do like the versatility of this wig along with these clip-ins. It just shows you how to spice up something simple and give it like a different look. This is very affordable. Definitely shout out to Luvme Hair for sending me this beautiful unit. I love this highlight look.